see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Ayan na yung mga... Ayan, gabi na guys. Mag-start pa lang ako mag-vlog. Diyan, nagpe-prepare na siya para sa kanya golf trip for tomorrow. Alice, what time you're leaving tomorrow, huh?
About sorry.
In the morning. 3:30 in the morning siya, Alice. Lilinisan niya lang yung golf sticks niya. And ayan, yung meron siya ditong dalawang gloves. Tapos, meron siya ditong binili namin to nung pumunta kami ng Melbourne. Ayan. Ano to, mga golf balls. Tapos, ito yung card holder para sa kanyang, ayan, golf.
Mom, he go to Ballarat.
Ballarat. Yeah, on the way to Melbourne pala. On the way to Melbourne. Sa Ballarat pala namin yung nabili. So, yan. Nililinis niya lang. Ayan na yung last niya. And then si Kuya, ilalagay niya yung mga cover. Si Sak andun, no?
Do I just put it anywhere except for the top one?
Are you helping Kuya? Okay, be careful.
Where do I put it? Down the bottom?
Yeah.
No, I don't want. Holly, is that the right one? What's that? A 9, like a 6, and a 7. You need a
6.
The other one.
The other one, Baba. Yes, that one. Good job. So, ayan. Tinutulungan na nila ang daddy nila.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sound.
But Baba, careful! You don't have to swing that hard, Baba. Oh, yeah, no. Watch out for Kuya. Diba? Walk out siya. Oh. Mag-vlog ka na lang dyan. Yan yung ano mo eh. Yan yung kanyang ano eh.
Yeah, these are good ones.
Diyan siya nagpa-vlog eh. Yung mga tinupi ko andun pa rin, oh. Hindi ko pa nailagay. Nag-walk out siya. Ayan yung golf stick niya. And dun, yung glove ni daddy niya. Si Kuya, tinutulungan niya ang daddy niya mag-unboxing ng golf balls.
It's that one there.
Okay.
Yeah. Kalalagay niya lang doon.
On top of the bowl.
Ayan, nakaimpake na si John and tulog na siya kasi maaga pa siya gigising mamaya. So, ayan yung mga damit niya nandyan. And then, ito yung golf stick niya. And, itong batang to. Hoy, what are you doing?
Writing.
Writing, say good night.
Night, Dad.
Ayan. Alis na si John. Nagbibihis na siya. And ako, try ko na i-upload na to habang gising na ako. Tapos ko na siyang i-edit. I-upload ko na lang yan. So, 3:07. 3:07. Oops, 3:08. Good luck, honey. Are you gonna put wood? Lagyan niya muna ng kahoy yung fireplace. Ang balik niya pala sa Sunday. Mga gabi na. That's Father's Day, Han, right? First Sunday of September. Saturday. Sunday, first Sunday of September, Father's Day, right? Wala siya. Gabi na siya darating. So, Every year, wala siya dito pag Father's Day. Kasi gabi na siya dumarating. Okay, here. Alis na siya, guys. Ang dilim naman. Put the lights. Where's your car? Nalabas sa shed. Ay, ang lamig. See you, honey. Enjoy.
Okay.
I love you. Be careful, okay? Bring us. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you. I love you. Look at this, Yoli. Dito kami ni Yoli sa couch. Kasi nga, hinintay ko talaga siya. Para para maihatid ko siya doon sa may gate. Sa may gate. See you, honey. Enjoy. See you on Sunday. Love you. Okay, let's go to bed though, Papa. Let's go to our bed. Come on. Let's go to our bed now.
No.
Oh, no. Okay. You wanna sleep here? Hmm?
No.
Oh, where you gonna sleep? Hmm? Okay, let's go. Hapon na, guys, and si Jan tumawag na. Nakarating na siya doon sa kanyang hotel, and then naglalaro na raw sila ng golf ng mga kaibigan niya. And ako nandito ako sa Mount Gambier kasi actually nasa parking lot na ako. Magpapagupit ako. Tinawagan ako ni Kyle kasi matagal na ako nagpapa-appointment kaso sobrang busy niya. So ngayon tumawag siya kaninang umaga, sabi niya 1:00 raw. So ayan, magwa-1 na. And ayan yung kanyang salon. Ayan, Georgie. So, magpapagupit lang ako. Hindi ako magpapakulay this time. Kasi usually, pa nagpapagupit ako sa kanya, nagpapakulay din ako. Ngayon, hindi na muna. Right, Baba, come on, let's go. Oh, okay. Naka-Elsa siya, oh. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Go. Come on, sit down here. Sit here. Yep, okay. Sit down, Papa.
That's Hallie.
Yeah, that's Kylie.
Yay.
Hugasan lang daw muna yung aking buhok. Where's Sophie? I thought Sophie will be asked. Cool. I was thinking it's Friday kasi Friday wala silang pasok. Diyan lang siya.
Call.
You right, Baba? You got lots of books there, Baba. Ayan, ganito siya kahaba. So, tingnan natin kung gaano kaiksi. Ko ito papaputulan. Hindi ko pa alam. Bahala na siya. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo magpagupit, guys. So, ayan ang bago nating look. And, yeah. Ayan si Holly. Hindi naman siya ng gulo. Ah, okay. Ha? Yeah. Let's go. Yep. Okay, let's go, Baba. Ayan na, guys. Ano sa tingin nyo? Okay lang ba? Bayad muna tayo. Okay, say thank you. Bye. Say bye-bye. Ayan. Parang naninibago ako sa itsura ko. Okay lang, di ba? Para maiba naman. Ayan, lakad-lakad muna kami ni Holly dito sa town kasi ano pa lang naman, mag-aalas 2 pa lang naman. Ang labas ng mga bata is 3:15. So, may oras pa kami mag-gala-gala dito. Naninibago talaga ako sa buhok ko, guys. Mahaba din ito. Wait, Baba. Sige, pasok tayo. Pasok kayo dito sa house. Tara, go in. Tingin-tingin lang. Ayan, labas na tayo. Wala kaming nakita. Wala akong nakita dito. Punta tayo sa kabila. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang. Wait, Baba. Tayo sa katabi ng house. Ito, ano to? DJ Interior. Come on. Mga cutie-cutie din ang mga ano nila dito. Mga paninda. Paninda? Wow! What color is that one? Blue. Tingnan mo, may nakikita siya. Come on. Let's go. Ang cute oh. Baba, look. Oh. Baba, put that back. Be careful. Okay, let's go. Labas na tayo. Come on. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Yeah.
I have this one.
I know you don't. Come on, let's go. Labas na tayo. Wala.
Yeah, I have that.
No, you don't. Ah, yeah. The little one.
Yes.
Okay. Ito tayo dito sa canopy. Come on. No, Baba, here. Let's go inside here. Canopy. Tingin-tingin din. Come on. Here, come on, Baba. Get in. Come on.
Wow.
Wow. So, mga ganda yung mga ano nila. Oh. Look at, they have earrings, Baba. Huh?
Wow, it's like mine.
That's not yours. Ang cute.
What was that?
Earrings, Baba. Bilan natin si Holly ng earrings. Pero sana hindi siya manghati.
Oh, what's this?
Ha? Earrings. Ito, ang cute nito. Oh. Para kay Holly ba? Kasi matagal na siyang walang
I'm
earrings.
gonna hold it.
Okay. Oh, hold it, okay? Ang dami pang mga ganda.
That's
Ayun, oh.
mine.
Ang cute.
But this mine.
Not yet. We have to pay for that one.
And that pink one.
Oh. Okay, let's go, let's go. What you got? What
My ears.
My ears. Earrings. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa live-in kitchen.
Sure.
Yeah, nandito lang naman. Malapit din naman siya dito sa area to. Come on. Yes, come on. Diyan. Pasok tayo dito. Come on. Baba. Hurry up. Come on. Okay. Go. Don't touch anything, huh? Bahay na kami and si Holly nakatulog sa car and yung dalawang boys naglalakad na yung pauwi kasi 3:15 na. And then mayroon pala akong 3 package na dumating. Siguro i-unboxing ko na rin to maya-maya or pag hindi ako kinulit ng mga bata. Pag may time i-unboxing ko to kasi excited na akong buksan to. And bumili pala ako ng ipit. Duman ako sa Mango's Boutique kasi nga hindi ako sanay doon sa pasay kong bangs. So bumili ako ng ipit. Eto, ayan. 3 to. Ayan na yung isa. And then, meron din ako pang isang ganito. 3 pala yan. Parang dalagang Pilipina lang din. And then, meron akong red. $14 to. Etong isa. And then, eto rin. 3 siya. $14. And, yeah, eto, $14. Parating na yung mga boys. And, ano pa ba? Gisingin na natin si Holly. Ayan. Naririnig ko na. Andito na nga. Hi!
Love you.
I love you. Look at mommy!
Oh, pretty.
Oh, I look
Wait,
pretty.
you got a haircut?
Yeah.
By who?
Huh?
By who?
Kylie?
Wait, did she come
Today.
here?
No, I went to the salon.
Was Holly?
Sleeping. I'm gonna get her soon. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Close it properly. Kain na kayo. So, ayan. Asikosin ko muna sila. And then, pag may time nga ako, i-unboxing ko to, guys. Ayan. Ginising ko na si Holly and... Ha? Wash your hands, Papa. Ilagay na natin yung nabili kong hikaw dun sa
I like it.
canopy. Hurry up, Papa. Ako na nga. Ako na lang.
I like Mickey's.
Oh, careful. Tapos, tinanong ko yung babae kung okay lang sa bata. Sabi niya, okay lang din daw. Hindi naman daw to, hindi naman daw mangangati si Holly. Okay. Do you like that? The Pop-Tart? Kung nababaso. Ayan. We're gonna share it to the people. Ayan. Rose gold siya na may pearl. Tapos may parang diamond ko, no? Okay, wait. I'm gonna open. I'm gonna put the little one.
Mom, can you put the little one? You'll
Yeah.
lose it.
Wait. Don't touch
Mom,
Baba, ha?
she always picks it off her...
I know. So, lagyan kong alcohol.
That's why for 1 year she didn't have it.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Wait. Spray natin. Ang tagal niya nang walang earring. Sana hindi pa to hindi pa ba nabara? Nabara. Ano to? Inodoro. Wait, Papa. Ouch? Okay. Ang liit. Look.
I put my game here.
Cute. Wait, Baba.
Did you finish that?
Wait, Baba.
jar?
Don't touch it now, huh?
Why?
Huh?
So you won't lose it.
What?
Why?
I don't know why.
Because if they know what happens if you be naughty, do you pick one out? It's a bit
Okay. Okay, wait. Tapos meron siyang rubber din, oh. Aside dun sa yung normal na lock.
What is it?
Ngayon, meron din siyang...
What is it?
What do we... Where is it? It's in here, Baba. Come on. Yung dalawa nag-snacks.
But red rover?
Wait, Baba.
But not big ones.
Yes.
That's yours. That's not our big ones. That's yours, big ones.
That's yours.
That's my big ones.
But Mommy gonna keep it somewhere. Okay. Ano ba? Ang tagal naman mailagay ito. You alright?
Who's that?
Okay, other one. Wow! Finally, may earrings ka na ulit. Kasi yung earrings niya, nandyan kaso walang lock. And takot akong mawala yun kasi yung totoo yun
What
eh.
is it?
Ilang beses ko na yun hinahanap dito sa carpet kung saan siya or dito sa sulok ng dito sa bahay kung saan niya yun nawawala. Wait. Okay. Yeah, you will eat after this.
Holly.
What?
Holly, I don't want this.
Spray? Ay, sorry. I'll say thank you, Kuya Sak. Ganyan siyang pagkain ni Kuya Sak. What do you want for dinner, boys?
I don't know.
You don't know?
What, for tea?
Yes. What do you want for tea?
Mom, can I have MABALOS?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, after this, wait, Baba. Kapikat ka talaga kila Kuya. Pero babantayan ko baka ba baka kumati. Baka magsugat kasi hindi naman to totoo. $16 lang to eh. Tama ba? $16.95. So parang $17. Pero dalawa na oh, napakamura niya. Come on, Baba.
Any emergency milk?
Look in the pantry. I think I still have one there.
No, but only the pineapple juice.
Look.
I bet here's one,
Yeah, I told
but
you.
it's got warm.
Ayan na. Show it, Baba. Show your earrings. Ayan na yung earrings niya. Oh, come on, Baba. Ang liit lang. Show it, Baba.
Mom,
Ayan.
it's warm.
And then, eto yung isa. So,
You better not have drink
so yun na siguro. Pero tingnan ko nga kung maano ko yun. Kung
Mom,
what's that? There, Baba. Ayan, yes.
can I have it while it's warm?
Yeah. Inom sila ng Milo. So, yung pag hindi ko yun na-unbox today, bukas na lang. So, see you na muna, Baba. Kasi magluluto ako ng dinner namin. Anong oras na? 3:45 na. Mag-asikaso muna ako ng dinner nila. Where's Daddy?
Swan Hill.
Swan Hill. Nag-golf. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Bye. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog.